June 8th, 2024, 4 o'clock and 37 minutes. Let's see, I found in my mailbox. Let's see what we have. What is my knife? Okay, I have a lot of stuff in one box. I'll wait, something else, but probably in the different box, not today. Oh my God, 1, 2, 3. What is SpongeBob? Okay, now this, and this, and this. Okay, let's go to that. This is a paint marker for tire, for a car, if you have a scratch. This is good. This is $1. Okay. Oh, I think, huh? No. This is for clean headlight. For headlight. Okay. But I don't understand. Oh, everything stuff for cleaning. My God. What is this? Engine warehouse cleaner. You know what? All this, everything is, I don't know what can I say, but shake, wheel and spray on the oil, dirt, and wait 3-5 minutes. Clean that. Oh, this is for oil, or like for engine, yeah. Yeah, car care produce auto. The bottle I put here, but it's too long. Something special. Also for the paint, correction for the paint is the black. Why I ordered black, even my car blue and silver. Honestly, what is this? That is the blue. This is the blue for the car. Okay. Nothing, user manual. Nothing, user manual. Okay. Okay, this is I don't want to mix it. Shake, wheel, and spray on the oil, dirt, and wait 3 to 5 minutes. Clean the dust oil with a sponge or brush. Try not to flush with water. If so, please do it under the guidance of a professional to avoid short circuit of damage. Engine cleaner. Engine cleaner. What else except oil? Okay. Engine cleaner. I must skip it. The box because really I'm full in the garage. Okay, I put these in the box. This I don't wanna make mix it with any other produce. Okay, what about this sponge? This is else I don't. Emulsion car lamp recover. Function restore the beauty of. Oh my God. Automatic headlight. This is CJTHK, car lamp recovery, elimination of oxidation, polishing apply. We'll see. We'll see. What? This is. You see this different here. It also have a two tube, huh? It's the same. Emulsion. Shelf life 3 years. Shelf life 3 years. Date from production unknown. Okay. Made in from China. Usage method: clean the headlight, stick protective tape around the headlamp, and get the tool ready. Okay. Next, 3. According to the sandpaper. Oh, this is similar like before. Before I have something with the sandpaper, but I don't think so. Can I use this? I'm gonna buy first from junkyard some headlight to make experiment. I don't want to make experiment on my car. This is and this together. I think so. I don't know. What is this? I'm gonna cut because I order. I don't know what I'm ordering. I got this. User manual. I think. Okay, this is the garbage. Oh, this is for rust. Rust 1. Or polish for what? Polish for rims. Never mind. I'm gonna check tomorrow. It's Sunday. I have extra day for waiting, but now I gotta go my car to change the thermostat sensor, the lower. Yeah, because my engine light I put on the OBD computer. He said go under your car and change thermostat. Okay, I will go in the under car and I'll change my thermostat. This is the same rust. Yeah, this is the same. Okay. Yes. Okay, a lot of stuff. How many? 1, 2, 3. This sponge, I'm gonna use it for something. But and also this is the blue. I'll try on my car. And also, I like this. This I know. I used it before this. Also, this is good for the tire. The white, you know, you can paint the tire like a brand. You know, for yeah, blue and white. But usually, I'm waiting the steamer. I'm wait for also for clean the car. The steamer. Oh my God, I have a lot of stuff. I need some closet strictly for what I'm ordering. Okay. What about the title of this video? Cleaning stuff for your car. Yeah. Okay, this is for engine. This is for engine. This is marker, blue and white, for paint, for tire, whatever. Paint color. the blue for your car. Cleaner for headlights, 2 bottle. Okay, this is 100 milliliter. And also this is cleaner for your rims. Yes. Also 2 bottle and 2 sponge. I think how much this? $12. All this $12. That's okay, not bad. Okay guys, just be update, you know, nothing maybe too interesting about this, but everything I order from AliExpress. Yes, I use AliExpress, and because it's cheap and it's worth. Okay, it's worth. Now this is from the last time. Yeah. Also for the cleaning headlight. That's what I'm saying. I don't know what I'm gonna do for. I have here the sandpaper. This is for the last, but honestly, I don't want to make experiment with the sandpaper on the plastic. I'm scared. I'm scared with this. I don't want to, my mistake, pay too much expensive. Okay. Yeah, this is for here. Also, I can keep this small box. That's good. Yeah, this is it. Okay. Thanks for watching the video. I hope so. Nobody I take the time about this video for someone interested, for some like, but you know, we are not same everyone. We are not same everyone, but I'll be appreciate if someone make a like, comment. No, thank you. I like if I see new subscriber. Okay. Yeah, I appreciate. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Join in your weekend. I hope see you soon. Have a good day. Take care.